Welcome to the Dr. Fred Jones Show, the book brand business podcast with Dr. Fred Jones, the world's only worthologist. If you want to write a book, build a brand, and start a profitable online business, this is the podcast for you. Dr. Fred is a retired business law and ethics professor and a former U.S. Supreme Court attorney turned book coach. He can help you share your story and write your worth. If all you have is an idea, keep listening. You could go from idea to book to bestseller, overnight bestseller, international bestseller. Doesn't that sound good? Then let's get to it. Here's your host, Dr. Fred Jones.
How you can achieve Amazon bestseller status. It's a simple process, but before I get into it, I want to talk to you about this. Many people desire bestseller status. It's been one of the biggest desires that people have on their bucket list, on their accomplishment list to become a best-selling author. I'm going to show you 3 simple steps how you can go out and do that yourself right now. Point number 1, you will need a publishing account. You say, what is that? An Amazon publishing account. kdp.amazon.com. Got it? Just go right there, kdp.amazon.com, and establish your publishing account. A publishing account is going to allow you to become your own publisher. Amazon will distribute it, the book. You will be the publisher because you are self-publishing. So when you set up that account, you'll just put in your information, your personal details, so that you can get funds deposited straight into your bank account after you set up your publishing house. You're literally becoming a publisher. I want you to take that in. You are a publisher when you set up your publishing account. You can publish yourself and you can publish others. So set up a publishing account. It's simple. It's easy. Go do it. And you're going to be glad you did. Okay. That's point number 1. Point number 2, publish an ebook. You say, huh? Yeah. Publish an ebook, a short book. It doesn't need a back. You don't even have to go out and get a cover. You can get the cover right there inside of KDP. Publish an ebook, put a title and a subtitle on it, and publish an ebook. It doesn't have to be long. An ebook can be simple. It can be short. It's not about, they don't value books by the pound or the pages. They value books by the content and the transformation that the book will bring to the reader. So don't get mixed up with how long or short it should be. Just put the book out there. Publish an ebook right there. That's step number 2 for on your journey to becoming an Amazon international best-selling author. Okay, I'm excited for you. But wait, I got a question for you. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Are you finding value? If so, I want you to hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and you'll be the first to know when I drop some more information into the flow. You got it? First to know when I drop something into the flow. Point number 3. Here's what I want you to do. When you hit the publish button, I want you to promote like crazy, right? Promote like crazy. Promote. Tell everybody to buy the book, get a copy of the book. You're going to want to sell like hell on the day you release that book to the world, and you'll watch your book go to the top of Amazon's chart. Got it? Okay, it's simple. It's easy. You can do this. You can do this. I guarantee you can. However, if you need some help or need some support or want me to come alongside of you, then click the link below. I've created a course just for that purpose to support and serve you. I'm Dr. Fred Jones, the world's only worthologist, reminding you the most expensive thing you will ever pay is attention to the wrong people.
Thanks for listening to the Dr. Fred Jones Show, the book brand business podcast. Now it's time for you to move forward. Comment on today's episode. What is the one big takeaway you got, and how are you going to apply it? If you want to write a book, build a brand, and start a business, but don't know where or how to begin, start here at drfredjones.com/class. That's drfredjones.com/class. It is time for you to share your story and write your worth. Remember, the most expensive thing you will ever pay is attention to the wrong people.